How we doing, boys and girls? Welcome back. I've had a nice 2 weeks off, scrambling my way across the Simpson Desert in the middle of Australia. It was good fun. All right, now I've been trying to figure out a way to start this, right? Just to get back into work. And for the entirety of yesterday, I just sat kind of hovering the start streaming button and just not doing it. Little did I know, you literally just hit the start button and you start. As a famous man once said, just do it. Just goddamn do it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. I have a vague kind of sense, but we kind of just have to get stuck back into it and take it from there, really. It is good to be back. Not gonna lie. This right here marks the very first time that I am starting work without an end date in mind. I'm literally just sitting at my desk, hitting the go live button every day and getting work done. That's it. I don't have a video going on in the background that I'm trying to work towards. I'm not gonna have to stop to make that video. I'm literally just going to be just a rolling stone down the hill, gaining momentum without stopping. Hang on. I have here with me a certain little special something that just arrived in the mail yesterday. I introduce to you the brand spanking new, freshly shipped all the way from America. They don't even ship to Australia. I had to get it sent to a fucking package forwarding service and then shipped over to Australia and pay a shit ton of goddamn import tax. It was horrible. The Framework laptop, baby. A fully customizable, modular laptop. I can't get it out. Just pretend that came out flawlessly. You see, pretend these 4 modules here came out and it's I/O on the side. How cool is that? Just everything inside is meant to be replaced as well. So it's truly a laptop for the future. Ongoing upgrades, whatever you want. It is a goddamn beast of a laptop. My god, the build quality is immaculate. It doesn't have a dedicated graphics card in it, which initially, no dedicated graphics? The fuck you doing? You need a goddamn graphics card. That I do. But I don't need one in here. Because putting a graphics card in a laptop significantly just fucking chunks it out. There are slim builds, good graphics card builds, but why are you trying to put a workhorse inside something that's meant to be portable? So what I'm gonna do is get an external GPU and plug that bad boy in. Each of these I/O ports are Thunderbolt 4 capable. So I'm gonna just plug that bad boy in off to an external GPU. That's basically gonna be my new workstation. I can't actually turn this thing on because I didn't buy a charger, but I've just ordered a 60-watt USB-C charger and that should be coming in the mail tomorrow. So I'll actually be able to turn it on and set it up. But for now, it is literally just a big hunk of metal. If you guys have any suggestions for good external GPU cases and just a good graphics card for what to get, I would love to hear your suggestions. There are a bunch of you people watching this who are just 10 times smarter and more experienced than me about those kind of things. So would really appreciate it. I want just like a nice middle of the road graphics card, right? Something that's really, really power efficient and that gets, you know, a relatively good amount of performance out of it, right? I ain't doing any gaming on this bad boy. I'm literally just using it as a work machine. Boys, we don't have much time. I'm stuck inside a video saying the same thing over and over again. Hi, my name's Thomas Randall, and I'm here to tell you about the benefits of becoming a member on my website. Aside from supporting yours truly and helping to hire new team members to pump out the game more quicker and effectively, you'll also get access to all the source code for my game. Don't go stealing it now. I mean, what are you gonna do? Make it for me? You'll also get access to Rando's Digital Garden, which is a second brain run in Obsidian.md. It's a long story, just pause the video if you want to learn more. You'll also get access to the Crack Den, which is a lovely little Discord community. There's a bunch of cool stuff in there. Nice. And last but not least, for the time being anyway, you'll get the randy.gg monospace font to use in your code editors. Or just wherever else you want to use it, I guess. If any of that tickles your pickle, you can actually get a free membership if you have an Amazon Prime account. Just follow the directions over at randy.gg/prime, link in the description. That'll give me a free $2.50 US per month if you keep on renewing it, all thanks to Daddy Jeff. If you don't have a Prime account though, but would still like to support me, it's $4 US per month to join up. And I'm trying to make it as worthwhile as possible every single day by growing this little community of ours and adding new stuff to it. Just type randy.gg into your browser of choice or follow the link down in the description. Boys, we don't have much time. I'm stuck inside a video saying the same thing over and over again. Oh, fuck. It was so good just being in the middle of the desert, like just smack bang in the middle, right? Absolutely no reception. Not a fucking worry in the world other than setting up camp and just driving. It had its moments, I'll tell you that. Some of its other moments though, quite intense. I wouldn't really call it a holiday. It was more like a challenging excursion. There were moments when I literally when we drove for like half an hour and then just set up camp. We had one day where we did that and we just set up camp in this beautiful place, just had the entire day off. And that was just That was so good. Got addicted to New World. What the fuck is New World? Amazon Games? Is that a thing? Battles are epic. Wow, thank you, IGN. Not gonna lie, that actually looks straight bussin'. And for that exact reason, I will never download it or even start playing it. I finally got a new water bottle that isn't just a fucking glass Voss one that just absolutely smashes on my floor 24/7. I also leave for 2 weeks, right? I come back and it's just hot. It's just hot again. I'm this close to turning on my aircon, but fan first. All right, what the fuck was I? What was I doing? That's what I was doing. What I was doing is trying to figure out how to get the mouse position into this space. And I did it. I left off on an L on the last step video, but I managed to figure out what the issue was. I guess we're just gonna fix that and take it from there, baby. Figure out how to make this scaling work nicely by taking into account model size, viewport size. Because right now what I'm doing is I'm literally stretching the model to be the entire screen height, and that's how we're getting just that 1-to-1. Give me a second. This is just the initialization phase of my brain just booting back up after 2 weeks. Just let me sit in silence here for the next 2 minutes. You see, this is why it's so annoying taking time off just smack bang in the middle of a problem. I was this close to solving it, but now it's just all out the window and I have to figure out what the hell I was even trying to do in the first place. What I've done is I've taken the mouse position and placed the center point at the player. So now what I need to do is convert that screen space into the size. Somehow. How do I do that? Yes. Okay. Fuck yes. Look at that. Immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. I have successfully converted our Y mouse position to the model space, and it's working fine. No matter what the resolution, whatever, it's all just... Alright, so now the next challenge is actually getting the X out. So I tried it before, but there's some weird stuff going on. So that's what we're gonna try and fix. Now I need to bring the X back in and actually figure out how to do it. That is our next step. So let me just explain this real quick. The issue that we're having right now is that this X position is not applying whatsoever. Even though, pay attention to this value up here, it's legit. But when we do a bunch of stuff to it, it does not move. If I were to do that, then maybe it might work. No. Translating it by X, Y, Z. What happens if I change the Z? Actually, yeah, no, that would make sense now. That should work. Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh, that is sexy. That is so sexy. My God. That's what I was trying to do before, but I just didn't even have that value. Oh, yes. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, because what I had to do there was put the X in the Z, and I kind of don't want to have to do that, but I kind of do at the same time. I don't know. Fuck it. I'm just gonna move on with my life and not even care about that. It's working, and that's all we need. All right, how about I try go TS2D skeleton joint. Okay, well that isn't really working that well. Well, that right there is the to-do. I'll come back tomorrow and I'll figure this out. All right, that's gonna be it for me for today. It's good to be back. Getting back into the swing of things, all right? You switch the X and Z coordinates? I do. In fact, I think I might actually just do that now real quick, just to see what that does. All right, well, that's just worked. That's exactly what I want, basically. Never mind, we've fixed it. It's been fixed. But what I also need to do, apply that as an offset. Well, I guess that's the to-do done. A little last minute quick fix. That's kind of exactly what I want. The foot's now being snapped to the mouse position, and then we can use that to kind of solve the entire IK chain. But that's gonna be for next video. Alright, change of plans. Next video, that's the to-do. We're gonna solve the IK chain and actually get some inverse kinematics going. Alright, that's me done for the day. Take care, boysies. We're gonna get the ball rolling on this bad boy. We're gonna roll so violently and so fast that we're gonna make just an unbelievable amount of progress over these next few months. I've forgotten how to do YouTube outros. Goodbye. That's the outro. Done. Alright. See you, boys.